herbalists have long used calendula for skin health, including it in luscious creams or even herbal steams. Science has further confirmed this use by showing that calendula improves elasticity and skin hydration. I recommend frequently using calendula creams on your skin to keep it healthy, soft, and pliable. Calendula can also be used to promote the skin health after skin has been damaged. Calendula creams, oils, and body butters can be used to soothe the skin after a sunburn. It helps to relieve inflammation and pain while promoting new tissue growth. Calendula can protect the skin after it's been exposed to the side effects of radiation therapy. One study showed that calendula worked better than the regularly prescribed pharmaceutical. In this study, 254 patients were given either trolamine or calendula cream to apply after receiving radiation treatment. The researchers found that the occurrence of acute dermatitis of grade 2 or higher was significantly lower with the use of calendula than with trolamine. Moreover, patients receiving calendula had less frequent interruption of radiotherapy and significantly reduced radiation-induced pain. In addition to supporting skin that has been burnt by the sun or radiation, calendula also helps to heal tissues that have been burned by fire or by heat in the kitchen. Fresh poultices and hydrosol washes are two of my favorite ways to use calendulas for this purpose. Calendula can also be used to decrease scar tissue, whether it's from wounds or from surgical scars. I like to apply it regularly as an infused oil combined with St. John's wort oil and rosehip seed oil. In 1919, eclectic herbalist Finley Ellingwood wrote in his book America Materia Medica, "Calendula is especially applicable to severe burns to promote healing and to prevent the formation of a contracting scar." Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.